The first step is to take a marble and put it inside the balloon. Then wrap an elastic around the marble in the balloon. Now we're going to open the neck of the balloon and flip the marble inside out. Now that the balloon's inside out, we're going to inflate it. Ta-da! Look at that! You have a wobbly balloon that won't tip over. Now we can accessorize. I'm making a Santa hat, a carrot nose, some cute coal eyes, some coal buttons, some branch arms, and finally, a sweet little coal smile drawn on. And there you have it, a sweet wobbly snowman. Have fun! Happy crafting! First of all, we're going to flatten our muffin liners and fold them in half. Then we'll open them up and add a strip of glue down the center of the inside of the muffin cups. Now we'll connect the outside of all of the folded muffin cups using 2 strips of glue, alternating the colors of liners. Keep gluing until you have all 15 muffin liners connected. Once they're all connected, then we'll add a ribbon or a string to the inside. Now add your final 2 strips of glue, flip it around, seal it shut, and ta-da! You have a beautiful Christmas ornament!